Hello and welcome. Today we want to talk about the ResizeBox Control. So what is the ResizeBox Control? Well, let's drag and drop the control onto the form. There we have it. So the ResizeBox Control allows you to resize the form. So when we run the application, by default the form can be resized. This is a default functionality on all forms which are decorated by default styles. So as you can see, let's run the application and let's try to resize. As you can see, if you go to the bottom, now you can resize the form. So this is a default functionality that comes with every form. There are cases when you want to undecorate the form so that you can put your own styling, but at the same time you want to enable resizing to that undecorated form. This is where you can use the ResizeBox Control, as you can see right there. So let's undecorate this form. Let's change the form border style to none. Let's put this control right at the bottom there, and let's change some properties. It has a few properties. We can change the target control. The target control is the main form. We want to change the size or resize the main form, and you can change the fill color as well. It's black, but you can change to red, you can change to orange, or you can change to any color according to your theme. So let's change the fill color to red, and let's change the background color of the back form to a shade of gray. Let's run the application and see what we get. This is an undecorated form, so the control box, the default control box and the bar has been removed, but now you can see it can be resized. We can resize the form. So to make the usage of this control feel native, we can change the cursor when it lands or when it rests onto the control. We can change the cursor style. So let's go to the cursor and let's go to resize. Let's run the application and see the final result that we have. So let's build and give it a moment and run the application. Now you can see, and the form can be resized, as you can see right there. So in cases when we have an undecorated form and you have your own styling, but at the same time you don't want to have the default control box, that's why you have undecorated the form, but you want it to be resized or resizable at the same time, you can use this control, the ResizeBox Control. It allows basically to resize the undecorated forms or the forms when you change the border style to none. So in such cases, I invite you guys to go ahead and try this. It has some few properties. Just the fill color, by default it's black, and you can put the target control, that's all, and then you can enjoy using this functionality, or you can enable this functionality to resize undecorated forms. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.